What is this?
It's personal. You wouldn't understand.
I could do this in 100 years. That's a tornado, isn't it? Who are these people?
Sinning students.
Sinning students? Where are they going?
To purgatory.
Purgatory? This is what's on your mind?
Actually, it's Albion's idea.
Albion? That weirdo?
He says weird means spirit.
Well, why are they falling out of a tornado?
Well, this is hell, and see, it's like a funnel, and purgatory is a mountain.
That looks like the school. But they're falling out of hell into purgatory? That makes no sense.
That's his vision. That's what he saw.
Vision? Albion has visions?
What's going on in Richard's head?
That's personal.
Not to you. Sometimes it's better not to know.
Are you going through town?